बस उसी तरह सॉफ्टवेयर ढूंढेंगे। My honorable friend Sri Krishna Reddy pointed out that our balance of payments was most unfavorable with Germany. I know that it has been unfavorable, and while partly this is due to Germany imposing very high tariffs, let us realize that we have had to depend for aid and capital from the developed countries, notably Germany, and as such, our balance of payments is bound to be unfavorable. It has been recommended by my friend that we ought to think of the pattern of trade being changed so that the Eastern European countries might be our main customers before us. The advantages of rupee credit and rupee payment are dangled. I only want to sound a note of caution. While it is true that from the point of view of our immediate difficulties, rupee payments offer a solution in the sense of imports not being a current draft on our foreign exchange resources. We ought not to suffer from the delusion that we are getting something for nothing, nor can we think that these rupee payments which are made may not work to our disadvantage. Parachin, I do not purpose to go into this question today, since the issues that merit consideration are different. I hope that Parliament will have an opportunity of discussing the whole scheme of rupee payments on some other occasion, so that we might have an opportunity of weighing the advantages and disadvantages of such rupee payments. Parachin. No one for a moment object to diversified pattern of trade, a structure of trade which is not dependent on any particular grouping of nations. We have emphasized to a certain extent this diversified structure of trade. Probably in the future we have to emphasize it even more, but what is the position today, as it is the terms which can be arranged for UK's entry into the common market are not dependent on that country alone. They are dependent on others as well. This is the position which we face. We should now find out how best we can line with this situation. Parachin. There is one thing which has to be affirmed on this occasion. I hope Parliament will affirm it, because there is a danger of our overlooking it to the extent that we suffer by the new groupings in Europe The moral responsibility of those countries to compensate us is all the greater. This would be in conformity with the trend of modern things in a modern welfare state. If an individual derives a benefit and others suffer injury, there is a principle of compensation or repartition that comes into operation in such a case.